Welcome to MindMajix Jira demo. This is a Jira administration demo session for students or people who are in IT or who would want to take up a Jira administration course. This is a perfect training demo for them. This training demo would include on how to use Jira as a Jira administrator or a user or a Scrum Master or project lead or project administrator. Let's get started understanding more about what this training session is. I'll just take you through my training profile. I have more than 5 years of experience of working on Jira and Confluence tools. Usually the customization of these tools at an administrator level. It might be under workflows, screens, permissions, or using it as a user, project administrator, and Jira admin. And I have been a part of internal trainings for Jira and Confluence for the past 2 to 3 years, and experienced with Jira and Confluence tools. The course curriculum of this Jira administration to use Jira as a user, it might include creation of issues or understanding how to use it on a day-to-day basis for managing your projects, and using Jira as a project lead, administrator, Scrum Master. This might include managing your project in Jira, how to manage your project, how to manage your issues, creating components, versions, and managing permissions or any other details at the project level. It might be project name, key, category, and other details. So this can be done by 3 major roles. That can be a project lead, a Scrum Master, Jira administrator, project administrator. And the other one is using Jira and Jira admin, wherein you'll be understanding about how to configure your complete instance at the administrator level. This might include understanding the nitty-gritty parts of Jira. It might be configuring workflows for all the projects in Jira, screens, fields, permissions, notifications, priorities, and other details like re-indexing of Jira, integrated check-in from Jira, and also the maintenance of Jira from time to time, the best practices to make it a good tool to manage n number of projects in Jira. So today, this agenda, I would go ahead and speak about the introduction to Jira. What is Jira? Jira is nothing but is a project management tool and for day-to-day projects. It might be a business project, it might be a software project, it might be a task kind of project that your team is handling. Jira is one of the top contenders of using as a project management tool along with Confluence. There are other tools, but Jira is being used by more than 70% of the organizations around, making it one of the best tools to manage projects. Why is it used by so many companies is because of its unique features like add-ons. Jira has many third-party add-ons that give more functionality to it to use it and make it more configurable. The configurations of Jira are very much at a very high scale. The most important kind of configurations that can be done easily in Jira are the workflows configuration to manage the states of projects or the issues in the projects, and the licensing. The licensing of Jira is also one of the most cheapest ones. Including all these 3 points, there are other points like user-friendliness of Jira and the usage of it by small to huge teams, and the usage of it for managing simple tasks. It might be a household task to the business projects. It might be a huge software projects. Makes Jira one of the best tools to handle software projects or manage projects. As we have understood about what is Jira, which is a tool of Atlassian, we would also like to make you understand about what Jira course choosing would include. As we have discussed, we would understand about using Jira as a user, and we would understand Jira using as a project admin, project lead, Scrum Master, and the Jira administrator. Using it as these 3 sections is quite different. As a user, you would not have access to all other things or all other kind of items in the complete instance. You would have only access to certain levels of managing your own issues or looking into your peers' issues, or just able to see, not able to even move the issue from one state to another. However, as a project admin or lead, you will be able to handle those issues, manage components, versions, and other things like the permissions for your team, adding permissions to that project for your team, and making sure that the boards are properly configured for your the team. Scrum Master's role also includes same when is added at the project level in Jira. And as a Jira administrator, as I mentioned, we will be able to understand the configuration of workflows, screens, fields, permissions, notifications, priorities, statuses, integrity checking, other maintenance of Jira, and the best practices to make your projects work well in Jira or manage your projects easily in Jira. And as we have understood about how Jira is used and Jira, let us understand also about the post technology. Jira is one of the most top techniques for this development process, and just mentioned it is scope of the technology is above and beyond of any other tool that is being used in the market. It can be Trello, it can be Asana, or it can be a tool quite different in terms of the interface that Jira has, or in terms of the integration that Jira has. Jira can be integrated with development tools like making it very easy to development also of your softwares in Jira, and also documentation tools with Confluence. So the current market trend is very high. Jira, as I mentioned, more than 70% of the companies who use Jira have a license are very cheap. But the same thing is an increasing usage of Jira because of the dates that Jira gets every 6 months or 3 months span of time. They improve the interfaces. It might be the server version, it might be the cloud version, it might be the or it might be the data version of it. It might be the data version of it. So the current market trend is very good enough professionally also. It is being used to the kind of good certifications available usually include the certifications that are provided by Atlassian itself for Jira. It can be ACP and the ACP and the project administration certification, or the badges for email, for workflow management, or field management, the screen management, and the Jira certification at the project administration level and the Jira administration level, which can be published on your LinkedIn accounts, or you can also add on for your job opportunity. So I would take you across how Jira works. I will try to. So what do we do here is we two kind of options that we can use. One is a server account, one is a cloud account. I will take you through a cloud account which can be easily created on your Google browser itself. The server account, we will download the installer and then install it on your system, and we will have a trail license that can be used for 45 days of time. So each time that is expired, we can help you in downloading the version or the installation name and use it after every time. So it should not be any issue forever. However, for this demo session will go more easily and smoothly. And I'm taking you through the cloud instance of Jira and how it is created is what we will do. So this is where you will go, Atlassian/software/Jira go for it. So in the real time, we're able to use a server version and not a cloud version. If you are working on cloud, we can use cloud version. Jira software project and issue tracking. And we can skip all these questions. It will take time to start this up. So usually the server version it will take a few minutes to complete this installation period and start up. Where you have to connect you can use your own local database for handling on the server version. The server version has a difference, however, all the functions are same. There is just a cloud, it is just a server. Understanding that this one is easy and important too. So many companies try to use the cloud version with a small team. However, for bigger teams or bigger number of users, they go for server. And if it is for more than 10,000 users, they go for data center. So I'm not skipping this option, and I'm not having any team. I don't have any disconnect. So that you can just go and select the classic template. So you'll be able to select which is the software project that you want to track, or you want to track a business project, and then you select the software project. You'll be able to learn what is Scrum in the training and what is Kanban. Automatically generates a key C. Manage stories, tasks, and workflows in Scrum team. Change the deliver workflow schedule. So you can even change the template if you go to a Kanban project. So you're able to clearly see the interface looks. It is a very simple interface for Jira. It is user friendly. You can see the number of projects that you're handling here. The filters or dashboard that include the day-to-day data that you want to see people who want to create a team or something. And you have the releases option where you can talk all the version details of your projects and all the issues that you're tracking in the project. You'll be able to see with different kind of filters over here. You can assign a reporter status and type. So you'll be able to see the components of different sections that you provide the project into, and you have a report section with project where you can include the reports. It might be a Scrum report, a agile report, or issue analysis report, or forecast report. See the number of reports over here. Burn-down chart, which is usually used by the Scrum Masters to understand how the work is going on in the team. A burn-up chart is sprint report, which is full post sprint, or a velocity chart, what speed the team is able to complete, epic report, or release on track. These kind of reports are usually created to understand the kind of data that you're presenting, how the issues you're creating and issues you are creating will be able to fill, and the team is working on the exact time. It's also important, so you'll be able to go back the workload of your team of the time of how your team works. So this is all about the report that you have, which you'll be able to learn, and the project settings, which I was speaking about, the project admins, leads, Scrum Masters will have flexibility to go ahead and change the options here. And the administration part is it's majorly about the system options, which are the data administration options, which usually a Jira administrator uses to maintain the system. It might be the look and feel of the system on dashboards, or taking some backup of your data or mail settings, and some kind of help options if you're missing something. And at the same time, going back here, you would also look into how the issue types are created, workflows are created, on how to track your complete data or your complete project, how the screens are created, how the fields are created in your project, how the time tracking is done, the statuses, resolutions, priorities, and a complete interface of Jira. You will be able to completely learn as an administrator if you're taking this course. You'll have two tasks in the complete presentation. One is using Jira as a user and a project administrator, and as a Jira admin, which is the task number 2. And the lab setup, I will help you with the complete setup of the lab, which is Jira server with the trail version, license, and any other requirements that are included. You should have a Windows system to get it done completely. I will guide you step by step, and you'll be provided with additional details like any kind of assessments, any kind of documentations that are provided by Atlassian, any kind of textbooks that are available in the market for you to refer, and that providing then now details about how Jira works, or the administration for your Jiras that will be helpful if you have friends. And you can even get back to us via email or through calls, or if you have any questions after the class or during the class also. And we will have completed different kind of timing if you have any particular kind of questions that are need to be resolved through a call or a discussion will be taken whenever needed. And this is all about the complete course details and everything, and we would like to have your feedback. Please to leave your feedback first to improve on. If you think there is some topic that we have missed, or you want a particular topic that needs to be taught in the session, please to get back to us. We would want to look into it and provide the best that you can. I hope you enjoyed this demo session. Please to give your feedback. Thank you.